Okay, it's time for the black cherry. This is gonna suck. Doesn't look that bad.
Look at the camera.
Oh my god! People eat this for fun? That's disgusting!
Put it back in! Put it back in, Kurt. Come on. You can do it. Kurt, put it back. You haven't even gotten the sour part of it yet.
What?
You were faking it.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, put it back in, Kurt.
I hate you guys.
Okay, put them out the way.
Okay, the sour disappears and it's just sweet.
It tastes like throw up.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
I guess you just don't like black cherry.
Put them out the way.
I'm gonna stop the video.